Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: OS version, account type, and space. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account on the device so authentication flows smoothly. Open Microsoft Store on Windows or App Store on Mac OS and search for Outlook. This ensures you get the official desktop installer. You should choose Microsoft 365 if you want full features. Otherwise, install the free Outlook app to link mail, calendar, and contacts quickly and securely. You now download and run the installer. Allow permissions when prompted so system integrations work. Once the app launches, click Add Account and enter your email. Explain why. This links mail, calendar, and contacts into one client. Enter your password and complete multi-factor prompts if required. Make sure to choose desired sync settings, mail days to sync, focused inbox on or off, because these affect storage and notification behavior. After initial sync, review folder structure and account settings to fine-tune performance. You finish by testing send and receive and opening your calendar to confirm events synced. Once done, set notification preferences, signature, and archive rules so Outlook behaves consistently. If mail or calendar fails to sync, restart the app and try re-adding the account. This resolves most token issues. For persistent errors, clear Outlook cache or delete and recreate the profile to force a fresh sync. Finally, make sure network settings and firewall aren't blocking authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.